Hello viewers, welcome to Some Smart YouTube channel. On this channel, I teaches people how to earn from legitly website that pays, and also applications that pays. Most of the times during referral program and some stuff like that. And I also know a lot about drop shipping, affiliate marketing, and so on and so forth. But today what we are going to be focusing is on application, unlike a miner, because they will be paying you every day. It's a new application which people don't really know about it, so it's a new stuff which you can, and you don't need to invest. All you need to do is just to register, and you start earning after your KYC verification, after you verified your account, and so. You understand? So I first of all want to say apologize for my inability to be posting videos. Is because I'm still learning more about online business. There is this thing I'm still learning, which I would like you guys to stay in touch. If you are a new subscriber, you are a new viewer to this channel, you just make sure you click the subscribe button, so whenever I bring out more videos on how to make money online, you're going to be updated. So cause I don't just make video of anyhow online stuff like that. I make sure I make a research about the website or application and know more about it before I create a video that will help you and make withdrawal. So if you're in this channel and you're a subscriber, I will make sure that your pocket will not be empty. Nothing like I'm broke. No, that English will not be speak by you. So today's video, we're going to be focusing on this application called Towa. You might not necessarily see it in your Play Store. You might not necessarily see it in your Play Store. This is the application Towa. But I'm going to leave a description below. You just open it. I'm going to leave a description below that whenever you want to register, you just click the link. It's going to direct you on where to go and download the application, and also make a registration with the application. So this is how the dashboard looks. This is my profile, and the second one is if only you want to buy any crypto stuff like that and invest, you're going to do that. This is the place. You understand? So the third one here, which is my wallet, you see, I've not referred anybody, but the moment I get verified, when I just registered the stuff, they gave me $2.80, and they will be giving you $2.80 every day. So before even making a video, I make sure I go through it, and I've seen someone whom withdraw from this application before I decided I'm going to create a video about the stuff, the application. So all you need to do is to just make sure you go to my description, this thing, and you're going to see the link. I'm going to leave you a link, and also I'm going to give my number, so whenever you want to register, then you just chat me up on WhatsApp. So if you want to register, here is if only you've downloaded or installed the application. Here is my referral code. You're going to see my referral code here. Here is my referral code. This is 0, it's not O. It's 0S3IKT1N. So this is what you're going to put as a referral code. So immediately you verified your your tower application, they are going to give you a commission of $80. And to tell you how true the application is, whenever you want to make a withdrawal on this application, they divide the money. Okay, no, they don't divide the money, sorry. They make sure you reach up to $20, 10 for them and 10 for you. So you can just directly withdraw that 10 and you can also do this thing. So let's try and check the withdrawal rules here. So here is the withdrawal rules here. You're seeing it. Here is the rule. So all we need to do is to just click, and they said withdrawal rule. The minimum amount for a single withdrawal is 20 USD. Withdrawal fee of 10 per withdrawal. Withdrawal time depends on the network node and will arrive at your withdrawal address within 24 hours. New users must become officially Tower Research users in order to withdraw cash. So you just don't mind, all you need to do is to just make sure you get verified and also become a real member. So when you reach to so one thing you need to know is you only withdraw using a cryptocurrency and also fiat. See it here. Alright, so you don't directly go to your bank account. If you are a cryptocurrency this thing, you will understand what I'm saying. And even if you don't know more about cryptocurrency, you will just look for someone who I'm even going to buy it from you. So that's just that. So all you need to do is to just make sure you subscribe to this channel and stay tuned, because I will be dropping more videos. There's this video that is paying a new registered member up to 8,000 plus. So I'm still making research about the application and how it works before I release it. So you just make sure you stay tuned, because when I drop the video, you will be the first or among the first people that are going to register. So please help me and subscribe to this button and smash the bell icon, so whenever I drop a video, immediately they're going to notify you when your email is on. And so thank you for watching and stay tuned.